This is my presentation. It's called Profit Offers Mobile Application. What is a retail wholesale as known as cash and carry? Summarized with retail wholesales and supermarkets, it has different quantities of each product. For example, a retail wholesales have a large quantities of each product than supermarkets. In supermarkets have a small quantities of each product, and they sell the products with reduced prices such as discounts and offers and promotions. Some customers have their own business needs to purchase big quantities of normal products, and it provides the prices of storage and delivery. What are the pros? The pros are listed on the presentation. That includes good prices and reduced prices and customer friendly and provides excellent customer service and fast and easy application and updated application. What are the cons? The cons are listed on the presentation. That includes difficult to search products and expensive cost and limited presence, and it is hard to join the membership club and slow and outdated application. What are the functional requirements? This table that shows on the presentation includes user stories and requirements and Moscow priorities. For example, as a user, I need to sign in into membership account, and this Moscow priority that shows on the table is must have, because some users has to log in and register into the membership account to search for products, and also some users have a digital membership card to scan. What are the non-functional requirements? A non-functional requirements contains a usability and system and security. And the table it shows on the presentation includes user stories, requirements, and Moscow parity. What are the implementation of profit offers application contains? And the list that shows is it's written in Java programming language and user friendly and clickable prototypes by using intents, and spinner widget allows to select each option without errors and sign in and register inputs. And this is a profit offers wholesale application. When I click start, oh, it's still loading. This is a home activity, and it contains these images for each product, activity, and icons. For example, if a user icon that's matched to the text view is that's equals to account. When I click the features products, I click the latest TV. When I click the fourth image, that it shows the activity description of it's called Jumper Windows 11 laptop 13.13 inch. As it contains each image of each product and description and add baskets. The price of each product includes the 20% VAT. When I choose any quantities, I choose two. When I go back, that navigates to the feature product activity visually. And it shows on an application. When I click the user icon to log in or register for a membership club, I click an user icon. When I, if I sign in, I will put K to 00 dot dot 4417 at at Kingston .ac.uk. My password will be Brats. Let's try again. Brats admin 100. I click the tick button and enter. That shows on the membership club account. And this is example of the code on this presentation is called intents. The intent is a content in Android that allows user to navigate into next activity on smartphone within the on-click method. What are the spinner? An example of the spinner code that shows on the presentation. It's a widget in Android, allows user to select any option of this widget by drop down each item. And it is implemented by using avatar view and avatar widgets to apply integer or strings arrays to the spinner. Another example on this presentation is called input fields. That allows user to enter, sign in, and details register for the membership or sign in. An application includes requirements, methods sees the error messages where if a user skip into the next activity and an error message is shown, it must be entered with sign-in and membership information. Product activity. An example are shown on the presentation. It allows user to select any quantities of each product and visualize the description of each product. For example, if a user wants to navigate another activity and it shows go back home within the go back method. As part of the design chapter, it's called flowcharts, a membership flowchart that allows user to instruct how to register for a membership at the ProfitOffers application. Another flowchart is called shopping cart that allows user to instruct how to purchase the products on an application. The wireframes, it is important to sketch the wireframes before develop and application. An example of the wireframing that's shown on the presentation. That includes the homepage and sign-in activity. What are the features of ProfitOffers application? So that includes membership club and online catalog and sign-in and register and home activity and location and shopping carts. Valuation and testing. After we implemented the ProfitOffers application, that includes user stories and clickable prototype and pass and fail. For example, if they have registered for a membership and we tested an application for register, it's navigate to next activity. And the result is shown on the last column is pass. What are the impacts of redesign and application? In Costco wholesale, they were 100 million members in its loyalty program. And the main problem of loyalty program is how might to build user values and loyalty. And also the product was poor without analyze and design plan. And another problem is researching, and they are not planning and design and application without agile principles such as Scrum and Kanban. What are the problems of an application? Three main problems of this presentation are lack of notifications and the site of an application is not friendly and the user has to sign in like several times. What are developments of redesigning a mobile application? Our group are doing the 10-week project on Costco new application and research about product level for user experience and inserting the clickable prototypes, and we need to add the artificial intelligence such as voice-based inputs and budgeting calendar to update it as you search, suggest where cheaper. What are evaluation of ProfitOffers application? We develop each spinner with arrays, XML documents have a main error, and so we solve the error by implementing the variables for arrays inside the Java backend code. And also we improve the backend code, each spinner implementing an adaptive view dot set on item select. A second evaluation is some of the buttons has invalid on-click methods, as it has shown on fatal expression an error message. So we improve the buttons within the intent methods that allows the user to navigate into next activity. For the future improvements, try coding the SQL database adapter code and input SQLite for shopping basket code, also by adding these items and deletes and modifies each product. And also try coding the file upload code by using advanced variables and methods. Thanks for listening for my presentation.